So today's question is to create two single dimension array of 10 each, and in both the dimension you have to enter the roll number and name of the students, and whenever a roll number is entered your program should print the corresponding name. So two single dimension arrays to be created of 10 each, and then enter the roll number and name of the students in both the dimension respectively, and whenever any roll number is entered your program should display the corresponding name. So the program starts with the command lines that you know well, and we have to declare arrays, one for the roll number to be entered, another for the name to be entered. And name, the data type has to be string because you are going to enter the name of the students. And for the roll number, the data type has to be int because all the roll numbers are numbers, so the dimension is declared as int. And very clearly I am declaring a variable r for any roll number to be entered. So first of all I am entering the roll numbers and the name of the students using a for loop, and the for loop is starting with 0 because you know in the array the loop has to start with 0, and I is equal to 0, I less than 10, it is true. As it is true, it will go to the next line and it will ask you to enter the roll number, and also it will ask you to enter the name of the student. And roll number will be stored in the dimension roll number, name of the student will be stored in the dimension name. So similarly the loop is going to move for 10 times. So all the roll numbers, 10 roll numbers and the 10 names of their corresponding name according to the roll number will be stored in the dimension roll and name. So in the next line it is asking you to enter any roll number. So any roll number you enter and it will print the corresponding name. The name belongs to that particular roll number. So for that you need to check. So again for checking I am using a for loop over here. So for loop is j is equal to 0, 0 less than 10. So if r, so now let us say roll number 3 has been entered. So 3 it will check. So 3 and whether it is equal to roll number in the dimension. So if it is 3 is equal to 3, then it is going to print the corresponding name. Now the first roll number is 1. So 3 is equal to 1, false. So what will happen? The loop will go back to j++ update, and j will become 1, 1 less than 10, true. So roll number is 3, as I told you we have entered. Whether 3 is equal to roll of j, j is 1, and in 1 roll number 2 is stored actually. So 3 is equal to 2, false. So it will come out of the, it will not go to the next line and it will go back to j++. So this time j will be 2, index 2 so to say, and 2 is less than 10, and if r is 3 as I told you, and in roll number j, roll of j, 3 is stored. So 3 is equal to 3, it is true. As it is true, it will go to the next line and it will print corresponding name is name of j. So j is 2, and in 2 it is the name C is entered, for example. So it will print the student's name, that is C. So this is how the loop is going to work, and I'll show you the demo also. Output. So the program is compiled and you can see there is no syntax error at the bottom of the screen, and that means there is no error. So we are going to enter the roll number. So the roll number is 1. roll number is 1. It is asking you to enter the name. Name is, let us say the child name is A. Enter the roll number, second roll number 2. Child's name is B. 3. Child's name is C. 4. D. 5. E. 6. F. 7. G. 8. H. 9. I. And the last roll number, that is 10, because the dimension is of 10, and the child's name is J. The moment you see this, you can see over here it is asking you to enter the roll number, any roll number, any roll number. So let us say we have entered the roll number 4, and we know entered roll number 4, the 4 is name is D, child's name is D. So if I enter the roll number 4 and press the enter key, the name should come as D. So you can see the corresponding name is D. The corresponding name is D.